What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you go down and subscribe. Also, don't forget to drop a like down below and also drop a comment because I read every comment. Check it out guys, the sticker I threw on the Chrysler. I think it looks pretty wet. It's just raining cats and dogs out here, but I'm still gonna do a car vlog for you guys today. It doesn't mean it's the whole vlog's gonna stop, but yeah, so I just want to show you guys that. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think that sticker's pretty sick on the Chrysler. And check out the stickers that I put on my other car. Drop a comment down below if you guys think those stickers look sick on that car too. Look at how mean the Money looks with the bumper off. I think we're gonna keep it like that because it just looks better. And if I have the bumper on, then it looks like we're really not doing nothing to it. It looks like we just primered it and that's all we're gonna do to it. But no guys, we're gonna be doing more upgrades to this car, so stay tuned. We are here, we made it here. We are at the Harris here in downtown, and we are gonna go eat at this steakhouse. I don't know what it's called. It's a Japanese steakhouse, so that's good. We're wearing this.
Make sure you better record when wearing their merch.
We're wearing the Eliminate sweaters. I'm wearing mine. So that's sick, because we're going to eat at a Japanese steakhouse. Can't wait to go eat. So I'll see you guys when we go eat. So this is what it looks like inside the casino. It looks so sick. We're just having trouble finding the place where we're gonna go eat, but we'll find it pretty soon, and you guys will come with us. Okay.
Alright, appetizer please. Welcome. You're very welcome. Okay, flaming onion. Watch her. Fire.
Spring roll.
What? Ah, happy birthday. Right, girl, right. Japanese egg roll. All right. One more egg roll. One more time. Okay, one more. I will try the hot. Alright. There we go. Baby oil. One more.
I'll say, come here.
Hey, Lion Pepsi.
So this is the teriyaki chicken, the rice. That dipping sauce is the best. and I couldn't show you guys the rest, but all of it turned out to be delicious. I would recommend you guys to check this place out.
Very good.
Thank you.
And then look at the river. Look at the river.
Huh? So I just tried some of that, and it is best. We are done eating. The food was the best, guys. Make sure you guys check this place out if you guys have it where you guys live. I don't know if you guys do, but if you guys come to Reno, make sure you guys check it out. Right now I am so full, I just need a bed. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take that little emblem off that I told you guys, so we'll just take this vlog into tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. And it is my mom's birthday, so I thought I would go and pick up some Starbucks for her. I told her that I had to retake a test, so I had to leave early. Right now it's 7:09, and I'm gonna go pick her coffee up at Starbucks because it's her birthday. I thought, like, oh yeah, just bring her something, like it's the thought that counts. So right now we're gonna go pick up the Starbucks, and then we're gonna come home and bring it to her. All right, what's up everybody? Today is the next day, so we're at Starbucks, and I forgot to record and pick up the camera when I was ordering it, but right now I'm driving up to the window. I think she's gonna be happy that I did this for her. By the way, she did like her roses that we got her yesterday, so that was the score, guys. That was a good thing already, that she liked her roses. We picked up the Starbucks. We're gonna go take them home to the girls, and we're gonna try to get their reaction if I don't forget to record, because right now I'm in a rush. It's 7:19, and this is the time I got the Starbucks. So hopefully they're excited, because right now I'm about to pull up to the house. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys that my mom really did think that I was at school doing a test or retaking, because that's what I told her. So she really believed that I really had to go take a test or something. So right now I'm pulling up to the house at 7:22, and we're gonna see if we can get the reaction. Or actually, I won't get the reaction because I got 3 drinks to carry in, and it's just gonna be a hassle. I'm gonna forget my camera in there. So we've already gotten out of school, and since last night my brother was supposed to get some wrapping paper or like some Valentine gift bags, but right now I'm gonna go pick some gift bags up, so that way we can put her stuff in the bags and give it to her. Alright, so we got her bags at the dollar store. As you can see right here, we got some tissue paper too, because if we would have stopped at Party City, those bags would have been expensive just for one. So we're gonna head back home, throw the gifts in the bags, and then we're gonna give them to her. But right now they are at swimming because my sister has swimming lessons right now. So that gives us time to wrap her stuff. So we made it home. Now all it is to put the stuff in the bag. No, but they don't get here exactly at 30.
They see me rolling, they hate to.
So I got this passenger side off. Now all it is to put the rim on. My brother already did the left side, driver's side, as you guys can see right there. So that's how it's gonna look. But I'll show you guys the final result of when both are on. I didn't record his side because I wanted to record my side, and plus he doesn't like to be inside the vlog. Now all he's doing is cleaning the inside of the wheel with the wheel cleaner to get all the gunk and dirt off of the inside the wheel. So I'll show you guys the final result of the inside when he's done. So this is how the truck looks after the wheels have been put on, and that's how it looks inside there after he scrubbed it. But this side is gonna need air because, as you guys can see, it is low. Alright, if you guys made it to the end of today's video, make sure you drop a like down below. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. And turn on post notifications so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. But that is it for today's video. I'll see you guys all in my next video. Peace out.
And I'm back acting stupid. I'm from the city where we rob, typing to it. Cross state lines, packing Massachusetts. He think he fit with his top.